want to make the most out of WhatsApp Cloud API? Using WhatsApp push notification is the best way to increase engagement between you and your customers. Push notifications have a huge amount of click-through rates and they are the most demanded feature in marketing strategy. But first, let me tell you what is a push notification. A push notification is a short message that users receive directly on their smartphones, even they are offline in the application. By using this, you can enhance your branding and gain your clients' attention. So if you want to use this feature, consider to whom you send them. You must have a database of clients who are the most interactive with you and your messages. It is really important because if they don't like to receive your messages, they will block you, or in the best way, they mute your notifications. Anyway, it means you lost them. There are different types of messages you can use for push notifications. The simplest one is a text message. You can send a text message to your clients to inform them. Another type is call to action button questions. You can send a button type message and ask the user to do some actions. Another type is the listed messages, which you send a list with up to 10 options and the client chooses one of them. You can send push notifications manually for situations like monthly offers or communications or follow up on your last conversation. Otherwise, you are able to automate push notifications for a ton of cases like meeting reminders, e-commerce service messages, or website-related messages, and so on. Eventually, using push notifications can make your sales up to 10 times better.